Hello guys, it's me again, Ismail. If you don't know who I am Ismail, Ishmael in English. So today, this video, I decided to do a different video. My neighbor, he's going to come over with his old generator, never been started in last 6 or 7 years or more than that, and he want me to see if I can help him clean up and get it started and do all the stuff it needs. He tried it and couldn't get it running. Okay, and that's enough talking, and let's go get the work done. So my neighbor brought this one out. It's been in the garage for 5 or 6 years. Never been started, as you can see right there. And on, it's a Chicago generator right there. Going back just a little bit, the information is model 65414 and 3000 watts rated generator, Chicago electric generator, and it is a 6.5 horsepower. Alright, we finished rusting it out. Looks as new, you can see it right now, all the way around. So now I'm going to drain off the old gas right here. Right here. Pull this thing out. And then I already got my vacuum hose taped up. It's a temporary fix right now. See, no more leak. And then the next one, I'm going to drain this gas out here and the whole tank. I'm using this bucket as a temporary. Do not use this, but I'm using it right now just for 5-10 minutes. Well, this dirty gas coming out of the engine, I'm cleaning up the carburetor and then the spark plugs and then the oil as well. Okay, according to my research, this is all it's good for a generator, pressure washer, and all kind of small engine. C30, you can use a 10W32, that's what they say, but I'm going to use this one. It says small engine. The oil is very hard to reach down there, so I have this one here. That's how oil bottle over there, a jar, what you call it. I cut off the bottom, connect to that one. That way I don't have to make any mess. Same thing on the other side. There is 2 filler. Okay, this is done. Should be enough, and then let's go on the other side. Same process. Okay, we almost done over here. Here's the old gas, and then look at the inside the tank. It's really, I don't think you can see it. It's very dirty. There's a lot of piece of rust in there, like a piece of metal all rust out. But right now I'm just going to start, see if it start. After that, if you got time, because to clean up the whole tank. That's ready. Everything's ready now. All in there. It's perfect. Oh, I forgot something. There's a 2 filler, like I said. It just don't matter. You can do on one side. It's because I guess it's just it depends how was your setup. It's a convenient. You can change it from this side or on the other side. So there is the filler right here, and there's a drain both over there. So either you can do it from this side or on the other side. It don't matter. It's the same thing. So I was thinking at the first time it was 2 different oil, but this is the difference between the old gas and the new gas. That's the difference right here. So I'm ready to put this in and then start the engine. Okay, if you choke don't have a mark or sign over here like where you supposed to put it, like this one over here, we don't know. So in order to understand that, is that little thing over there. That's running engine. That's half choke. That's full choke. But they're supposed to close. And then let's put some filter back in right here, and then we can start the engine. That's be time of the truth for today. It's still running. Mm-hmm. Oh guys, it's not starting right now, which I was making a mistake. I had the gas off like a dumbass. Most of the switch over here, like I said, I don't have the menu on it, and this is kind of first time working on a generator, so I kind of keep everything off right now. Right here, I had to do much research on it for me to understand this stuff over here. And then the dragon, the gas is on now. I had to put this on for it to start. Yeah, turn the gas right there. Success today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share my video. Thank you again, and God bless. Okay, this switch over here is in one turn, and then this light will. Okay, so you put it in the middle, so you go to both sides, okay. Here's how my neighbor coming right now to see you. Okay, Mr. Willing, what do you think about my work today?
I think you did a great job. You got a lot of knowledge about these things, and I appreciate what you've done for me.
Thanks for that. What would you say to our viewer?
I'd say if you need something done, this is the guy to do it for you.
Perfect. I appreciate that. Thank you.